Welcome to the magical farm. Today, we're embarking on a wonderful trip to a lovely farm right in the middle of nature. This farm offers an amazing adventure as the day turns into night, and each of the farm animals slowly falls asleep. Let's go meet our new farm buddies. Hello, cow. On the cozy farm, the cow is a gentle grazer. During the day, it peacefully munches on sweet grass and provides milk for the farmers. As the sun sets, the cow rests in the meadow, dreaming of green pastures and listening to the farm's lullaby. It watches over the farm's dreams with a serene presence. Can you say goodnight to the cow and wish him sweet dreams? Goodnight, cow. Hello, pig. In the charming farm, the pig is a cheerful snuffler. During the day, it roots around in the mud, finding tasty treasures and making contented grunts. As the sun sets, the pig finds a comfy spot in the straw, dreaming of delicious feasts and bringing warmth to the farm's night. It's a happy dreamer on the farm. Can you wave to the pig and say goodnight? Goodnight, pig. Hello, horse. In the magical farm, the horse is a majestic friend. During the day, it gallops in the fields, carrying farmers and children on adventures. As the sun sets, the horse rests in the stable, dreaming of wide-open meadows and listening to the farm's bedtime stories. It watches over the farm's dreams with noble grace. Can you kiss to the horse and say goodnight? Goodnight, horse. Hello, goat. Meet the goat on the charming farm. The goat is a nimble explorer. During the day, it climbs rocks and nibbles on green plants, spreading joy with playful bleats. As the sun sets, the goat finds a cozy corner in the barn, dreaming of mountain adventures and sharing the farm's dreams with a sense of adventure and curiosity. Can you help the goat settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, goat. Hello, pigeon. On the enchanting farm, the pigeon is a gentle messenger. During the day, it soars through the skies, carrying secrets and whispers from one end of the farm to another. As the sun sets, the pigeon finds its peaceful perch in the dovecot, dreaming of endless horizons and connecting the farm's dreams with its soothing coos. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the pigeon? Goodnight, pigeon. Hello, rabbit. In the magical farm, the rabbit is a quick and curious hopper. During the day, it explores the fields, nibbling on greens and playing with other small creatures. As the sun sets, the rabbit finds a cozy burrow to rest in, dreaming of soft meadows and listening to the farm's bedtime stories. It's a gentle dreamer on the farm. Can you say goodnight to the rabbit and wish her a peaceful sleep? Goodnight, Rabbit. Hello, Sheep. In the enchanting farm, the sheep is a fluffy, peaceful grazer. During the day, it happily munches on sweet grass and provides soft wool for the farm. As the sun sets, the sheep rests in the meadow, dreaming of green pastures and adding a calming presence to the farm's nighttime lullaby. It's a gentle guardian of dreams. Can you say goodnight to the sheep and wish her peaceful dreams? Goodnight, Sheep. Hello, Deer. In the farm, the deer is a graceful forest visitor. During the day, it roams the fields with elegance, adding a touch of wild beauty to the farm. As the sun sets, the deer finds a peaceful glade to rest in, dreaming of woodland wonders and sharing the farm's dreams with a sense of enchantment. Can you blink slowly just like the deer and whisper goodnight? Goodnight, Deer. Hello, Chicken. In the charming farm, the chicken is a diligent egg layer. During the day, it pecks for grains and clucks cheerfully. As the sun sets, the chicken returns to the coop, laying eggs and dreaming of golden mornings. It shares the farm's dreams with the promise of fresh eggs and a new day's light. Can you say goodnight to the chicken? Goodnight, Chicken. Hello, Turkey. On the enchanting farm, the turkey is a curious wanderer. During the day, it strolls in the fields, gobbling with delight. As the sun sets, the turkey finds a cozy nook to rest in, dreaming of festive feasts and sharing the farm's dreams with a touch of holiday magic. It's a joyful dreamer on the farm. Can you say goodnight to the turkey and wish her sweet dreams? Goodnight, Turkey. Hello, Dove. In the serene farm, the dove is a symbol of peace and love. During the day, it soars gracefully, spreading tranquility with its gentle coos. As the sun sets, the dove finds a serene spot in the dovecot, dreaming of endless harmony and filling the farm's dreams with an aura of calm and unity. Can you wave to the dove and say goodnight? Goodnight, Dove. Hello, Bee. In the enchanting farm, the bee is a busy worker. During the day, it buzzes from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar for honey. As the sun sets, the bee returns to its hive, dreaming of golden meadows and filling the farm's dreams with the promise of delicious, golden honey. It's a sweet dreamer on the farm. Can you help the bee settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, bee. Hello, duck. In the farm, the duck is a cheerful quacker. During the day, it waddles around the pond, making happy sounds and swimming gracefully. As the sun sets, the duck finds a cozy nest in the reeds. Its dreams are filled with peaceful ponds and friendly farm animals as it watches over the farm's slumber. Can you say goodnight to the duck and wish him sweet dreams? Goodnight, duck. Hello, dog. In the enchanting farm, the dog is a loyal guardian. During the day, it trots around, keeping an eye on the farm and its human friends. As the sun sets, the dog curls up in its doghouse, ready to protect and dream of fun farm adventures. It watches over the farm's safety throughout the night. Can you wave to the dog and say goodnight? Goodnight, dog. Hello, cat. The cat is a stealthy hunter. During the day, it prowls the fields, searching for mice and sharing purrs with the farmers. As the sun sets, the cat finds a cozy barn loft to curl up in. Its dreams are filled with moonlit chases and the farm's peaceful night. Can you kiss to the cat and say goodnight? Goodnight, cat. Hello, donkey. In the serene farm, the donkey is a hardworking helper. During the day, it carries heavy loads and plods through the fields, offering rides to children. As the sun sets, the donkey rests in the stable, dreams of sunny meadows, and listens to the night's whispers. It's a gentle guardian of the farm's dreams. Can you help the donkey settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, donkey. Hello, parrot. The parrot is a colorful chatterbox. During the day, it perches on a branch, sharing stories and mimicking farm sounds. As the sun sets, the parrot finds a cozy spot in the barn, dreaming of vibrant adventures and echoing the farm's tranquility. It adds a touch of magic to the farm's dreams. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the parrot? Goodnight, parrot. In this magical farm, These creatures live harmoniously, each with its unique role, creating a world filled with beauty and wonder. As all our farm friends settle down for the night, you've been a wonderful helper in wishing each one a peaceful slumber. And now it's your turn to rest your head, close your eyes, and dream about all your adventures in the farm today. Good night, dear friend. Good night, little one. Good night, farm.